For our second bead, we have the oval, which is an offshoot of the round bead. All you're doing with the oval is you're widening the space on your mandrel and you're filling that in the largest spot in the center, and that will create your oval shape, as you'll see in this next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. See you in the next one. Okay, we are ready to make the oval shape. And I'm going to use a yellow today. This is one of those striking colors that I was talking about the other day in one of those videos, and I called it something else. I don't even know what. I'm so bad with my words sometimes. I'm sorry, you guys. Anyway, what I want to do with this bead to make this oval is to heat up a good length of the mandrel and go ahead and start laying down my footprint beads lengthwise. Obviously, I'm going to go up the mandrel. I'm walking my way up. Sometimes you have to just really quickly heat the mandrel where you're going to add the glass before you add the glass, especially with transparents, because the bead release can gas off if it's not hot enough, and it can create bubbles in your glass, and you're like, where did this big bubble come from? And that's usually why. Anyway, so I guess I should have done the barrel bead first, maybe. I don't know. Now I feel bad, but that'll be next, I promise. I'm gently rolling it out. Gently rolling it out to make this elongated barrel shape. And from there, I will go ahead and just add to the center because it's oval. And right now, the biggest part's going to be in the middle. So that's where I'm going to add my 2 or maybe even 3 wraps. Make sure you have enough glass to go all the way around, or what you can do is just kind of like swipe it on as you go. That's fine too. If it's not perfectly round, don't worry. The heat should get you there. If it isn't, then you're not heating hot enough to get it there. Okay, you got to get it hot. And what I'm doing is I'm heating both sides of this bead like I always do. And that will also not only help the edges kind of pull in a little bit, but it'll help the center part to melt down evenly on the bead. Now you could stop here if you want to, but a lot of times I just kind of continue to go, okay, because this could be easy. But I just wanted to make mine just a little bit bigger, so I'm adding some edges to lengthen it a little bit. And when I do that, I just add a couple of wraps. It's on the bead. Don't put it on the mandrel, just put it on the edge of the side of the bead and then heat that up. And then I noticed, and this is why I bring up bubbles, that I got a big bubble in this. I'm pretty sure I spent some time trying to heat that bubble out. And then I'm going to add a little bit more glass closer to the ends now, because I feel as though I made it too round. So there's like, you can work on this all the live long day, but all you can do is make it bigger. And there's a point where you just got to stop and move on, do another one. So after I put my edges on again, I put a big wrap in the middle, and now we're gonna heat it up and we'll be done. The edges will come in, so be careful when you clean these out. A little bit of gravity helps as well to get the shape that you want. And there we have our oval bead.